Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX HOT 20i, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, you want to pull down the notification or the toggles from the top right side, and from there you'll have access to only one power saving mode, which is the ultra power saving mode. So when you tap on it, it removes almost all usability of the phone and leaves you only with the messages, phone and calendar. Okay, also no location access, but we can turn it on apparently. Though if you're planning to save battery, I would recommend turning it off. It's not like you can utilize it anyway for anything else. We only have access, like I said, to calendar, messages and phone. So no app can run right now that could utilize the location services anyway. And as you can see, if you try to tap off on any of these apps, they just won't open. You can swipe between pages for some reason, but other than that, you only have access to these three right here. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back, simply select quit. You do have to go through here because you don't have notifications anymore. And once you do, as you can see, everything goes back to normal. So with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.